Hi everyone, today we are going to be looking at muscle attachments, specifically the origins on our ischial bone here, on our ischium, which is a part of our os coxa. So just to start, we're going to be looking at this muscle, our semitendinosus, and it will be originating on our ischial tuberosity. And our ischial tuberosity is going to be a common origin point here today. So we were looking at our semitendinosus, and it's coming down all the way onto our medial tibia on the pes anserine for the insertion. But the origin is going to be our ischial tuberosity. Then we have our semimembranosus also originating on our ischial tuberosity. And it's going to come down also onto our tibia, but a different spot. It's going to be on our posterior medial condyle of the tibia. So that's the insertion. And the origin is the ischial tuberosity. And then we have another hamstring that's going to be originating on our ischial tuberosity. So here we see our biceps femoris long head. And that's going to be inserting on the head of the fibula because it's running laterally. So right now, we see our biceps femoris long head, our semitendinosus, and we also see our semitendinosus on the ischial tuberosity. So we have semimembranosus, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, and biceps femoris long head. Okay? So those three hamstrings are going to be originating on the ischial tuberosity. We don't see biceps femoris short head because that's going to be originating on that lower linea aspera of the femur. So it's not going to be a part of our hamstrings up here. And it's not going to be crossing that hip joint, so it won't be acting on the hip. And then, if we come over more, we see our adductor magnus, which is a really big muscle. And that will also be inserting onto our ischial tuberosity, but also our ischial ramus and the ramus of the pubis, the inferior ramus of the pubis. And then we see our hamstring part here, which will be running down to our adductor tubercle of the femur. And then here we see our adductor part that would be running on the linea aspera of the femur. Okay. So that's all of our origins on the ischium.